This way, you can save your pillows from tearing in the dryer. Regularly washing the pillowcase isn't enough to prevent dirt and bacteria from accumulating. It's important to wash the pillows themselves often. This removes dirt, oils, and dust mite residues. I'll show you how to wash your pillows without damaging them. Wash 2 pillows at a time to keep the washing machine balanced. Set the wash cycle to gentle and the water temperature to about 40 degrees Celsius. You don't need to remove the filling to wash your pillows. The foam in the pillows harbors the most bacteria, so to wash them without clumping together, add a few ping pong balls. This allows the pillows to move freely, and the ping pong balls will help gently remove dust from them. Since the balls are lightweight, they will create the right amount of washing foam, which is important for effective cleaning. This will make your white clothes gleam like fresh hotel linen. After several washes, white clothes do not always look as bright and flawless as they did when they were new. Fabrics can gradually turn gray and lose their freshness, while stubborn marks often remain around collars, cuffs, and underarm areas. The way you dry your whites is also extremely important, and I will explain why in a moment. Start by reaching for Classic White Sift Cream Cleaner. Make sure you use the original white version. It contains fine cleaning particles and active ingredients designed to help remove stubborn dirt. This makes it useful for refreshing white fabrics and helping them look cleaner and brighter. Measure out 1 scoop of the prepared mixture and pour it directly into the washing machine drum. Then select a delicate or hand wash cycle at 86 degrees Fahrenheit and start the machine. As soon as the cycle finishes, take the clothes out, shake them well, and hang them up. However, the way you dry white laundry matters just as much. Leave plenty of space between each item so that air can circulate freely and the fabrics dry evenly. Cotton towels, bed linen, and other durable white fabrics can be dried in direct sunlight. Sunlight acts as a natural brightener, helping whites look fresher while also reducing unpleasant odors. More delicate clothes are best dried in the shade to protect the fibers from intense sunlight. Once everything is dry, your white laundry will look fresher, cleaner, and noticeably brighter. It's a simple laundry habit that can help your favorite white clothes look their best for longer. Add it to your wash, and even the most delicate shoes will come out bright white like new. You just need to wash them differently than usual. You don't have to scrub sneakers or other sports shoes by hand, which is tiring and time-consuming. You can wash even a single pair in the machine, and it will handle them well, even without a special shoe cycle. Choose a delicate fabric program, set a low temperature of about 100 Fahrenheit, and use a low spin speed. To keep the shoes from moving around the drum and rubbing against each other, add a thick terry towel to the wash. You can even use 2 towels. They protect the shoes during washing and spinning and help them clean more effectively. Your shoes will come out looking bright, fresh, and perfectly clean. Add this ingredient to your laundry and the results will exceed your expectations. That snowy white look you've been dreaming of is closer than you think. This simple trick will bring your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels back to life. No need for special detergents or bleach. All you need is a common kitchen spice. It acts as a natural abrasive, helping remove detergent buildup and residue that can dull white fabrics over time. The best part? It won't react with your detergent or leave stains. Instead, your clothes will look newer for longer and feel softer to the touch. Just add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the drum with your laundry on your next wash. Start the program as usual and let the pepper do its job. After washing, you'll notice everything looks visibly whiter and fresher. Use this trick regularly for towels, bedding, or other light fabrics. You'll be surprised how much better it works than many expensive store-bought products. I have a trick for drying clothes quickly in winter, and it keeps my home free of excess moisture. When I need to wear wet clothes, I use the burrito method. When hanging wet clothes on a drying rack, I pay attention to one crucial detail that most people overlook. Clothes should be spaced out to allow free airflow between them. This significantly speeds up the drying process. If I need a freshly washed item dried quickly, I use the burrito method. Lay a wet shirt on a towel, roll it up tightly, and press firmly from the center outward to absorb moisture. As shown in the video, leave the rolled towel for a few minutes, then unroll it. Next, I iron the shirt, starting on the inside and, if the fabric allows, on the outside. This helps evaporate the last traces of water. For collars or thick seams, I use a hairdryer for extra drying. By combining these three methods, my clothes are dry in less than 20 minutes, and I don't need a tumble dryer at home. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. Put your dirty socks in a bowl with water like this. They'll be clean and regain their white color. I don't waste time scrubbing socks anymore. I remove the dirt from them, but I don't have to rub them with my hands. Anyone who has white socks knows they get dirty quickly. They can turn gray and dirty in no time. If your socks look like this too, get a bowl ready and do what I do. Pour half a liter of hot water. Take baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing dirt. Measure out 1 tablespoon, put it in the bowl with water, and mix well until it dissolves. You need dishwashing liquid. It effectively removes various stains, even greasy ones. Measure out 1 tablespoon, and add it to the water. You also need vinegar. It softens water. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add them to the mixture. Stains and dirt will disappear faster thanks to it. Add another tablespoon of regular table salt. Our grandmothers already knew about the washing properties of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients dissolve. The laundry mixture is ready. Now just soak the socks in it. Leave them in this water for a few hours. If the socks are heavily soiled, you can increase the amounts of each ingredient. After a few hours in the water, your socks will be clean. The dirt will disappear. This mixture always works and handles the most soiled socks.
Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on 1 wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight.